Can you get the door, please? My hands are full.
Okay.
What is it?
I was just a playboy back in 69. Thank you.
It's for me. It's got my name on it.
I am pumped. I love when I get mail.
The package is from SAFE TEC helmets out of LA.
California knows how to party.
SAFE TEC are smart helmets for ski, cycling, skateboarding, BMX, snowboarding, and they combine technology with safety and comfort.
Let's crack this open.
Here we go. It's Christmas in February. Some of the best helmets in the world by SAFE TEC. It's all about safety, but also fashion. We're gonna open this up. SAFE TEC comes in a nice bag. Wow. Look at this helmet right here. There it is. SAFE TEC, one of the best ski helmets on the market. Safety, durability, also got built-in Bluetooth volume right here to listen to some tunes while you were on the ski hill. Looking forward to this. This is a cool feature here. I'm gonna set up the Bluetooth, but there it is. That is the ODIN 2. That's what the model is called. SAFE TEC. So if you're looking for the adjustable, it's right there for your head. I'm gonna try this thing on in a second. Look at that, great padding. Ventilation in the front there. Vents in the back. This is it's light, feels very durable. Let's crack the other one open. We got your cycling helmets, unbelievable options for cycling helmets. I've looked at their helmets, they are unbelievable. Ski, which is what we're opening here. Smart technology, safety gear. This is the ODIN 1. Ventilation is in the top, very light. Strap here for your goggles on the back. You can take that off, pop your goggles in there. This is a medium. Also has the Bluetooth capabilities here. Look at this for your volume when you're on the hill and listening to your tunes. Look at that. That is a nice looking helmet. So here we got the ODIN 1 and the ODIN 2. The big thing is the Bluetooth capability for the tunes. I'm gonna have to break these things in.
To do groceries.
Welcome to Pound Town. High octane love machine. Pump a hot box. Pump a hot box. Pump a hot box. Let her rip. Pump a hot box. Lick it, stick it. Hey!
No helmets at the table.
Thanks, Safe Tech. See you on the slopes. Woo!